This is trial A. That's very interesting. It appears it's made some pretty solid bubbles. Yeah. So the reaction is still going on, actually. It sent most of the yeast out. A very dense foam because of all that yeast. It just kind of dissolves into it and it makes this weird stuff. I think that happened because, well, there wasn't enough mixing and it just formed a layer on the top and it was pushed out. This is trial B. So it produced a lot more foam, and the foam is way more in shape. It has a shape. So with the soap added, it's definitely producing way, way more solid foam. It is not warm at all. This is trial C. That is quite the even spread and quite the even foam. Extremely fine bubbles. Wow. There's lab D. The foam is about room temperature. The flask is still quite cold. Ooh. And I think why this happened is because, well, the foam is warm-ish. Well, it's room temperature. Pretty sure it's because of the reaction. It releases some heat, which heat up the foam before it exited the container. And why I think the vial is still cold is because it hasn't fully reacted yet. But also, yeah, now it's kind of room temperature.
What you doing?
This is trial E. Wow, that is rapid. And most of it went out. So I think from the higher temperature, it's reacting quite a bit faster than trial D. Still going strong. The foam is quite warm because I'm pretty sure it's like the particles are. It's definitely not as warm as the liquid inside. I find kind of interesting. I'm pretty sure that's because it's leaving, it has a bunch of bubbles, it has a bunch of surface area, and it's cooling down quite quickly because just the liquid would be heating the air and then it would be popping and it would be able to directly connect to the air basically, cooling it rapidly.